Tired of stubborn lower belly bloat? Want a flatter stomach without endless crunches or diet fads? Today, I'm giving you one powerful move that activates your deep core, tightens your lower abs, and can be done anywhere, no equipment, no sweat. Whether you're lean or still burning fat, this technique targets a hidden core muscle that controls how flat and firm your stomach looks even when you're not flexing. Let's break it down fast. There's a difference between tightening and flattening your stomach. Tightening comes from training your transverse, abdominis, your body's natural core set. Flattening, on the other hand, often depends on things like bloating, poor posture, or excess body fat. Even if you're bloated or holding fat, you can still train your TVA, and that will immediately pull your core inward, giving you a flatter, more toned look. Think of it like flexing your biceps when you train it. It gets tighter and more defined. Your lower ABZs work the same way. This move is called the stomach vacuum. It sounds weird, but it's incredibly effective and yes, it's been used by pro athletes and fitness pros for decades. Here's how to do it. Stand or sit up straight. Inhale deeply through your nose. Exhale slowly, and as you do, pull your belly button inward as if you're trying to touch your spine. Hold this contraction tightly for 10 to 20 seconds. Release. Repeat for 10 to 12 reps. You'll feel a deep core cramp that's your TVA firing. Bonus tip. Once you've pulled in your core, try slight torso twists to engage even more muscle fibers. This accelerates the tightening effect. This is one of the best kept secrets in ab training, and it works no matter where you are in your fitness journey. Try it today. Drop a comment below if you felt that burn, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more real fitness hacks that actually work. See you in the next one. Stay strong, stay consistent. You don't need workout clothes or a gym. Do this. First thing in the morning, sitting at your desk watching Netflix, even while driving. Just a few minutes a day can lead to visible changes in a couple of weeks. Now let's be real. This won't melt fat magically. If you're eating in a calorie surplus, you won't see that flat-toned core. Your best results? Eat in a calorie deficit. Stay active. Do this core move daily or every other day together. This combo builds a sculpted midsection you can actually see.